Feel like your messages sound awkward sometimes? There is an AI tool that literally fixes that in seconds. It is called WordTune. Just type your message and it instantly makes it sound clearer, friendlier, or more confident. For example, you might write, "I am writing to inform you." WordTune turns that into, "Just wanted to let you know." Way better, right? It even works great for emails, direct messages, and captions. Totally free for basic use. If you love these kinds of AI tools, subscribe right now. I drop one every day. No fluff. Go try WordTune. It makes you sound smarter without even trying.